Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Riot Client if it won't open or launch. Let's get started. First, open Task Manager. You can search for Task Manager from the Windows search. In the Processes tab, search for Riot. If you see any Riot Client or Riot Games processes running, right-click them. Then click End Task. After that, go back to your desktop. Right-click the Riot Client shortcut. Then click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also enable Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now try opening the Riot Client again. If it still doesn't open, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Check if Riot Client is already in the list. If it is, make sure both private and public are checked. If Riot Client isn't listed, click Allow another app. Then click Browse. If you don't know where Riot Client is installed, right-click the Riot Client shortcut. Then click Open File Location. Copy the folder path. Go back to the firewall window. Click Browse. Paste the folder path. Then select riotclientservices.exe. Click Open. Then click Add. Make sure both private and public are checked. Then click OK. If the problem still isn't fixed, search for Command Prompt. Right-click it. Then select Run as Administrator. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Then press Enter. After that, type this command: netsh winsock reset. Then press Enter. These commands refresh your network settings and can fix connection issues that stop Riot Client from launching. Now restart your computer. Then try opening Riot Client again. Hopefully one of these methods solved your problem. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.